This is an introductory video about working in Loft 2.0. As you can see, the interface is very different from Loft 1.0. However, all of the features are here and all of the rules and principles apply just as they did in Loft 1.0. The biggest difference is the fact that the waveform is horizontal instead of vertical. This implies that there is a different way of moving through the task, and that's what we'll be going through in this video. So basically, there are three ways you can move through the task. You can use the horizontal scroll bar that's located immediately below the waveform, or the horizontal bar that's located below the canvas. You can see that when you move one, the other moves in unison. The other way to navigate through the task is with clicking on the part that you want to move to the blue line. So if you click here on the beginning of this segment and you click play, the audio will play from that point. This is a more precise way of moving through the task. The third way of moving through the task is to use the horizontal scroll. If you use a mouse, it is usually accessed by pressing down on the wheel of the mouse and moving the mouse side to side. Or if you work on a laptop, based on your settings, you can use the horizontal feature on your trackpad. However, if you use the trackpad, be very careful not to scroll too much, because for some laptops, the horizontal scroll can also move you back and forwards between pages and have the effect of clicking these buttons here. So, in case this poses a problem for you, you can ask for assistance to turn this feature off in your browser.